Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Sauk County in south-central Wisconsin, western Columbia County in south-central Wisconsin, until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:34 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles south of Mouston, moving southeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Baraboo, Reedsburg, Prairie du Sac, Sauk City, Wisconsin Dells, Lake Delton, Spring Green, West Baraboo, Plain, North Freedom, Merrimack, Long Vale, Rock Springs, Loganville, Ironton, Lime Ridge, Leland, Interstate 90/94 Interchange, Hill Point, and Devil's Lake State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.